Did you know that this is one of the most important and valuable parts of the school day? Unstructured, active physical play is never a waste of time. In fact, during active play is when your child may actually be learning the most. Welcome everybody to Time Out with me, Mr. Bruce. God designed us as children to love play. For thousands of years, this is how children learned about life. And it is arguably when we learn best. Excitement and passion is ignited during play, and this turns our brains on to be ready to learn. Some forms of play are more valuable than others, and active physical play in an unstructured environment outdoors like this is perhaps the most valuable. But what, you ask, are they learning? Well, it may not be quadratic equations and Newton's laws of motion, but they certainly are putting these things into practice. And there are a ton of other practical things that they are learning and practicing. The Play Advocacy Group, The Genius of Play, states that through play, kids learn how to interact with others and develop critical lifelong skills. They state these 6 essential benefits of play that play an important role in raising well-rounded children. I mean, think about the fantastic life learning that is happening in these situations. Through imaginative and pretend play, children develop their imagination and their creativity. They learn how to share and cooperate and communicate. They practice conflict resolution and learn to appropriately express and manage their emotions. They have the opportunity to assess risk and also learn how to be a risk taker. They learn toughness and resilience to get up after they fall. They develop friends and cultivate positive relationships. And of course, this kind of active play develops fine and gross motor skills and increases your child's health and physical fitness by building a strong and healthy heart and strong muscles and bones while developing excellent athletic potential. And a little bit of dirt actually helps to strengthen your child's immune system and build resistance to disease. The energy these kids burn off during play also helps them to focus more and concentrate on their academics and improve their behavior in class. There is recent scientific evidence that vigorous physical activity like this actually helps kids to grow brain cells and to perform better in academics. And best of all this is learned while they are having fun and enjoying themselves. Play is a simple joy that is a cherished part of childhood. Now that's a lot of benefits that you get from just play. And there are even more benefits that you get from other forms of play, like this, and this. So next time you are thinking of filling up your child's life with lessons and more lessons, remember that they need time for good, constructive play in a variety of forms.